Our source clips and shots can contain multiple versions, which will allow us to quickly cycle through the versions in the bin or in the timeline. We can scan for versions from either the source or a track item. If new versions are found, the prompt will let us know how many are available. We can select multiple items and scan for versions using the context menu. If a track item is selected, we can press the V key to get a visual list of all the versions available, and we can switch to another version by clicking on it. We can also access this menu by pressing the V key in the viewer or on the source clip. There are hotkeys to incrementally move up versions. Holding Alt and using the up and down arrows will step through the versions. Holding Alt-Shift and the up arrow will jump to the maximum version, and holding Alt-Shift and down arrow will jump to the lowest version. The versioning relies on specific file naming and directory structure conventions to locate these versions. Let's look at this further. The clip name base needs to be the same for each of the versions. The version prefix between the file name and the version info must be separated by an underscore or a period and must remain the same for all of the versions. The version padding can differ between the versions. The frame padding can also differ between the versions. If you're using QuickTimes or other formats like RED, you don't need to worry about the frame padding. The extension of the versions can also be different. There also needs to be constants with the directory names. The root directory must remain the same for all the directories containing the versions. And the version number padding and the directory name can differ. Our spreadsheet contains version information as well. The version column will tell us what version of the shot is in our sequence. There is also a number version column that will show us the total number of versions available for our clip. This value will change if we scan for new versions and more are available. We can select single or multiple clips and scan for new versions, version up or down, and then jump to the maximum and minimum versions.